check this thing out. We've been spending the morning blocking this thing down piece by piece. A lot of different ways to skin a cat, a lot of different ways to climb a tree. I've seen folks rig down wood like this. That could work, but take a look at this site. There is just no access. We got like a 30-inch gate over there, fragile pavers. So to respect the client's property, we're just gonna take this thing out piece by piece. It's gotta get cut up anyways, so why not cut it up here? Really cool. Thanks for watching Seattle Tree Care. Oh my God, oh, this is really good. This is the first time I've seen this because that arm is one of the harder parts of the tree. Oh yeah, this is awesome. So at some point we're gonna have to plywood the heck out of this shed. Yep. And then this is a really good drop zone. And then we'll go out that way. Look at the size of that thing. It really hangs over that way though. Kind of crazy story with this tree. So it's a western white pine, and just a couple years ago, totally healthy, beautiful tree in really good shape. But when this I believe it's like a apartment building was constructed, they got into the critical root zone of this tree, and so they really impacted the roots. And what that does is it causes all sorts of issues and stresses on a beautiful tree like this. And unfortunately it sent it into terminal decline. Western white pines they're fascinating trees for a lot of reasons. One of the reasons is there are no old growth western white pines that I know of in the state of Washington. If somebody knows where they are, I'd love to see them, but all our other native trees, there's old growth examples. Western white pines get a beetle, and they really don't get much over 90 or 100 years at the most. So to me that makes them extra special because while they're living, we get to experience all the great benefits that they offer, the shade, habitat for animals in a backyard like this. They're just beautiful trees. Everybody's got a different preference on harnesses. This is a Petzl Aveo. Right now I got 2 wire cores on. I'll probably be using one as well as a separate climb line. I got my silky handsaw, little Petzl gear bag so I can keep my cell phone on. These are rock climbing daisy chains. They make a great saw leash. I'm a big proponent of everything on the harness should be life support. That goes for even things that you clip like a handsaw. You never know when you're gonna need a spare beaner, and so why not make it life support? Your life could depend on it. Let's see, which one of these? This is a little loose. Do we have a saw tool?
Oh, I could grab one. We have the second one. Look at that one.
Man, let's just tighten this just a touch.
Yeah, let me do this then.
You got time? Because I'm going to go to the top and then lower down for it. Oh yeah.
This was just the natural career, right?
It really was. Did you grow up around here?
I kind of grew up mostly in Kent.
Boy, Kent's grown up a lot.
Are you kidding? We're talking about Seattle. We looked up what was the population in 1980 compared to now. 200,000 people have moved here since 1980.
That's incredible. What time you guys got?
You're looking at about 9 or 8:45.
Oh, cool. Okay. Anybody see any spare gloves around?
Just look at the truck.
That's really weird. All right. Oh, nasty. Look at that raccoon. Crap. Don't want my ropes in that.
Tell you what, this drag is kind of narrow, but it's not like the weirdest drag I've had this week. Had the drag brush through someone's house the other day.
Yeah.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
Think you can throw them? A little harder?
Yeah.
I think a little snap on that. Sweet. You got 3 points of contact. Oh, look at that. That's the cable. Oh, yeah. What a view. You guys can clip my chainsaw on that when you can.
All right. All right, saw on.
Sweet.
What up for you?
Let's get a couple guys on that, and I bet we can pull it up?
Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
Maybe we'll hook if you want to grab it. Emerson.
Okay, now we could go down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go down. I can hold it.
You know, one thing that occurred to me when I was up there today, I was talking about using like a rock climbing daisy chain. A lot of people use breakaway lanyards. The reason I don't use them is if for any reason my saw gets hung up, that's on me, and that's gonna be attached to me. But those breakaways, if you break one of those, oftentimes arborists, we work above people, and there's people on the ground, and if one of your chainsaws came flying down, I just wouldn't want to be the guy that actually had something like that break away and come down. Kind of some of my philosophy on everything being life rated on a harness. Everything is super solid. I don't know what's going on with my rope down there, but it's like sticks in it.
Yeah, it looks like you got a big stick in here. What are you thinking about that that other branch out there?
Couple options. My first plan, on my way up, I was like, oh, I'll just jab up it, cut and toss those branches down here.
Yeah.
And then toss the chunks. That'll be the suspenseful end of this brush out.
Yeah, that thing's crazy.
Watch yourself. All right. Dead top. Definitely it's weighted that way, so this should be interesting. If I was a living top, I'd say no way, Jose, but you know what, it's dead. It's light as a feather, pokey as a porcupine. Let's see how this goes.
Waiting for a spot on an angled line. Driving to the outside, wasting my time. Took my place high on the rise. Look at them ants push away their prize. But I'd be free as a bird. Oh my. I'm proud to be just who I am. Salute the flag just like Uncle Sam. My Yankee do good without a dime. Work for nothing in their overtime. But I'd be free as a bird in Walmart parking lot. Payroll deductions for a 1K. Matching contributions that they never gonna pay. Helping out the needy, helping out the poor. They're working for nothing at that patriotic store. But I'll be free as a bird in a Walmart parking lot.
All right, welcome to day 2 We've been spending the morning blocking this thing down piece by piece. A lot of different ways to skin a cat, a lot of different ways to climb a tree. I've seen folks rig down wood like this. That could work. I think that's a really good idea too, where you can get a machine to the larger chunks. But take a look at this site. There is just no access. We got like a 30-inch gate over there, fragile pavers. So to respect the client's property, we're just gonna take this thing out piece by piece. It's gotta get cut up anyways, so why not cut it up here and then pack it out. Yesterday we had a lot of fun rigging out the branches, getting out the large individual trunks up at the top. We are on the last, what are we, 20 feet or so? Really cool. All right, I better start cutting.
Up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could've swore that I was in it, down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line.
Another day to be grateful for staying safe and doing what we love. This is a great job. Taking out challenging trees in backyards is what we're all about. Thanks for watching Seattle Tree Care.